Congratulations! If you have made it this far, you have survived the senior research paper. This is the very, very, very last step, and it is research assignment number 11, which is the presentation. Okay, so this presentation is going to be due after fall break. Okay, so Monday, October 26th. That's the second week after we go back to hybrid. So that gives you fall break. That gives you the first week back to kind of work on it, but I don't want to stress over it the first week that we come back. And so we do Monday the 26th. That's the second week. And so what you're going to do is you're going to create a Google Slides presentation, and you're going to take pieces of your research paper, okay? We're not copying and pasting, but you're taking the ideas. You're going to describe what the problem is, what the solutions are, and what was your best solution, and you're creating a PowerPoint, basically, the Google Slides about it, okay? So you want to incorporate key information from your paper. You can use quotes, but you don't want to just copy and paste the parts of your essay, okay? If you use images or data and quotes, keep them short. You want to use bullet points, and if you do use quotations, you do need to create a works cited slide. Okay, but that should be easy because if you're quoting from your paper, the source should already be in your paper. You can just copy it from the works cited there. And you definitely do want images. Okay, you're going to submit the Google Slides in Canvas, and it does need to be a minimum of 5 slides. If you're not sure how to create the presentations, here are a couple of resources on how to do a presentation itself, and then also how to do a video of the presentation. Okay, so you can create your presentation and then make a video about it. Here are some guidelines. Basically, you want to choose your graphics carefully. Everything needs to be school appropriate. You want to keep them simple and clear. Minimum words for text and titles. You want to make sure that your font is easy to read. And then contrasting colors work best. You don't want to have something that people can't read on the screen. And so you want to kind of create backgrounds that are not distracting or textured. So maybe a solid color would be better, smooth colors instead of something that has texture or a picture. And then your graphics should go back to what your topic is. Okay. And then I know this is really hard to see, but there's a rubric here on how your presentation is organized. If you are knowledgeable about the subject matter, like can you take the ideas in your paper and turn them into a presentation? Is your graphic and visual clear, and does it reinforce your topic? And then mechanics. Are there a ton of mistakes in your presentation, like spelling or grammar or anything like that? Okay, and so you can see that there are different categories here that I'll be grading you on. So that's basically your presentation. You're just going to take your paper and kind of bullet point the main ideas of your own paper and include some graphics, and then make sure that it's at least 5 slides. And that, again, is going to be due after break. So we have a little bit of time to have a breather, but still get this done. And then potentially we will be presenting these in our hybrid classes. And I will give you more information on that when we are in our hybrid classes.